Hello parents, I am Dr. Mukul Jain, a pediatric dentist practicing in Mumbai. Today I'll give you more information regarding dental crowns for kids. As we all know, a happy and a smiling child is worth more than all the money in the world. To give a comprehensive and a long-lasting treatment for your children's teeth, dental crowns are a very important part of our treatment plan. So, what is a dental crown? Basically, it is a tooth-shaped cap. It helps to restore the shape, the size, and the strength of the lost tooth. Because of the caries or the cavity in the teeth, or sometimes because of the trauma or any kind of a fall, the tooth structure is lost. So, to bring back the shape of the teeth, the natural look of the teeth, the size of the teeth, and the strength of the teeth, we need to give a dental crown. Why and when kids need a dental crown? Most of the parents believe that since it's a mill teeth or a temporary teeth which is eventually going to fall, is there a need of a dental crown? Definitely, a mill teeth also requires a dental crown when the cavity is very deep and the filling or the cement with which we fill in the tooth is not staying over there. After the root canal treatment, when we do a root canal treatment, we remove 30 to 40% of the tooth structure. To bring back the shape and the function of the teeth and to protect the treatment during the root canal treatment, to prevent any reinfection inside the teeth, we need to protect that mill teeth from all the four sides with the help of a dental crown. The dental crown helps to bring back the shape of the teeth so that your child can grind the food properly. For the front teeth, when the shape and the color comes back with the help of a dental crown, your child can smile very nicely. There are various types of dental crowns available for your children's teeth. Basically, there are two types which looks natural, white crowns, and those have the shape of the crowns but they are metal. What is special about the crowns which we use for your children? The most important thing about the crowns which we use for children's teeth is they are ready-made. We don't need to take special measurements. We don't need to send those measurements to a dental lab which we do for adult teeth. They are easy to put, they are very quick, and we complete the whole procedure in one session. Now I'll tell you more about a stainless steel crown. It is the most common, the most durable with a favorable cost. It is usually done for your back teeth because it has a color of a metal. It can be modified for the front teeth. There is something called as a strip crown in which we use a composite resin for the front teeth. It is easy to finish, it is quick, and it can be repaired if there is some damage in future. The most advanced and the new natural crowns are the white zirconium crowns. They are more aesthetic, they have a higher cost when you compare with other type of dental crowns for kids. But they are the most natural looking and the most biocompatible when you compare with other forms of dental crowns for your child. The last thing in the mind of a parent when we discuss dental crowns for the mill teeth is, do we need to come back to remove crown before the tooth falls? The answer to this question is a no. When we do a dental crown for a primary teeth or the mill teeth, we stick the crown on that teeth. So when the teeth falls or exfoliates, the crown also comes out with the natural teeth. So you don't need to come to a dental clinic just to remove the crown so that it doesn't interfere with the natural exfoliation of your milk teeth. Thank you so much for your patient listening